Jesuh criminal chibai 2017 January ni khatsi kan thok dingmi Hre Dungthluntu discipleship training na telveding klaus somdu nangmah kha zirtu munas ding slowly thuntu munas ding disciple munas ding slow disciple maker paket khada nangmah kha na siveding mesi jadi ka jiang kan tuading tisle chu Jesuh Hre Dungthluntu din men Bible Nitin Bible ding chat pang lo ding kha chimichu kan tum ta mi se leitlun a pumpulo ka kauran tampi a zum tu pol jiang ronga an pitling thelo America ram jiang ro kauran atlasin sintislen kauran member long on si pol com member long on si Hre Dungthluntu tak tak an slow Jesuh Hre inzir michu feula kauran member vatua utilaw Dungthluntu vatua wu ati go and make disciple ati so Dungthluntu na simo slow tulmi na nemo Dungthluntu na simo leitlun zum tu pol chu tulmi kanelo Dungthluntu kanelo timichu pa ma telong umichu Christian tak tak an slow Christian pol disciple called Christian tian komis chimichu Jesuh Hre Dungthluntu se yang tu ning tile Nitin Bible sian ning kan lo kuat choding Zarhkhat vai khat nangmah thawn na thun mi lau thawn le thun tu pol thon tonok na nai pakhat chan pek thes le chimichun him program son the tel thading Southern Baptist in antomi live resource center Dungthluntu rak tu kumrei pi rak tu polin amnung hlenga an som comment chimi pol le saw resources live resource center mi tiam sa pol kraw mi pol an hol so mi Bible an ma into sak je mi te kha Zarhkhat Bible study Nitin Bible study kan toring mi chimichu leitlun pol program thei kauran sung kauran leng muntin tiana khan tel tu pol kha ke mana email se text message se messenger se ndak ko to la chimichu nan lisa kalok taling January ni khatin kan thokding mi si tuisin kan tim to chia tool material pol tu tim to ro si zoi chuna kum tharisin kan thokdmi kum khasunga na thok selen na si roding January kum khatisin na thok kum chem na zau sal tiga wow mang bang za Pathian and lam throi na sun tong leng si Hre Dungthluntu tha sidin laktel bel criminal claus som si God bless you.
We need to train people how to walk with God on their own, train them how to reach their world, and train them how to invest in a few.
People are being informed, but they're not being brought up.
You want to be able to look back in 10 years and say, I'm different than what I used to be. I'm not the same follower of Jesus.
I don't want to imitate a personality. I want to imitate faith.
We just spent time together, and spending time with Cheryl, I was able to observe her life. I was able to observe the way she interacted with people.
The reason I'm so passionate about Disciples Path is it creates a clear path. Clarity leads to movement, and I pray that in God's good grace, Disciples Path would create that type of clarity that can lead to mass, widespread, Christ-exalting discipleship movement.
Jesuh Hre Dungthluntu ta minung tampi Dungthluntu ta vatwa thei tu sidingin tel veo Jesuh criminal claus som si